What's Checkpeople? How to use it properly. Checkpeople is an online public record search engine that allows users to find information about individuals based on publicly available data. The platform aggregates information from various sources, including public records, social media profiles, and other online databases. Users can use Checkpeople to search for details such as contact information, criminal records, and more. Here's a general guide on how to use Checkpeople properly. ###1. Access the Checkpeople website. Visit the official Checkpeople website. ###2. Create an account. To use some features, you may need to create an account on Checkpeople. Follow the registration process, which typically involves providing an email address and creating a password. ###3. Start a search. Once logged in, you can start a search by entering the name of the person you're looking for into the search bar. You may also narrow down the search by providing additional information, such as a city or state. ###4. Review search results. Checkpeople will provide a list of potential matches based on the information you provided. Review the results to find the person you are looking for. ###5. Select a report. Click on the person's name to access more detailed information. Checkpeople usually offers various types of reports, including background checks, criminal records, contact details, and more. ###6. Purchase a report. To access the full details in the report, you may need to purchase it. Checkpeople often operates on a subscription or pay-per-report basis. ###tips for using Checkpeople properly. 1. Understand the legal and ethical considerations *. Familiarize yourself with the legal and ethical considerations of using public record search services in your jurisdiction. Be aware of privacy laws and ensure your use of the service complies with these regulations. 2. Use information responsibly *. Use the information obtained from Checkpeople responsibly and ethically. Avoid using it for illegal or malicious purposes. 3. Respect privacy *. Recognize that individuals have a right to privacy. Avoid accessing or using personal information without proper authorization or for inappropriate purposes. 4. Verify information *. Cross-check information obtained from Checkpeople with other reliable sources to ensure accuracy. 5. Review Checkpeople's terms of service *. Familiarize yourself with Checkpeople's terms of service to understand the limitations and acceptable uses of the platform. Remember that public record search services like Checkpeople may have limitations, and the information provided may not always be up-to-date or comprehensive. Additionally, the availability of certain records can vary by jurisdiction. Always exercise caution and ethical behavior when using such services.